Hey guys, gals, Thomas here, MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute Car Convertible. This particular Chevelle has a big block 396, as you can see here, guys. Edelbrock intake, 4-barrel carb, newer alternator, power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air conditioning. Just a gorgeous, look at the restoration quality of this car. This car was all taken apart. So this is a frame off, recently restored 68 Chevelle convertible. And also they painted the latches, guys, gals, the correct color, argent silver, as you can see. So whoever did this car really paid attention to detail, and that's why we got it in. I travel the country to find these beautiful cars. I hand pick them, I bring them back, I have my mechanics go through them, and I tell you everything about them. So as you can see, and we continue here, I just want to show you with all the doors open. Just beautiful body lines on the car, straight panels, smooth paint all throughout the car. Beautiful brand new interior, guys. Listen to how this door closes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. You know, this is the only year for the Chevelle with them vent windows in this generation. Look how slick that is. Beautiful solid trunk, guys. They did a great restoration job. It does have a 12-bolt posi rear end in it as well. As we continue here on the passenger side, look at these door lips. Perfect. I mean, perfect. Look at this. When you hear a classic car close like that, especially a convertible, it's a good car. Look at the core support. Really clean, really nice. They paid a lot of attention to this car. Fully loaded, guys, suspension all redone as well. Now we'll get it. Look at the stance on them newer torque thrust wheels. It sits perfect. You know what I also didn't mention to you guys? Check this out. Bucket seats, console, with a 4-speed manual trans. I mean, what else do you want? You got buckets, console. You got vintage air conditioning. You got power steering, power brakes. Look on the stance on this car. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt posi rear end. Everything has been turned and touched. It's just simply that nice. Easy start. We tuned the carb. Wow. Let me hit that throttle once or twice. I mean, look at these door jambs. If you're picky, this is it. Wow, that's all I gotta say, guys. I've been in this business for 25 years. If I tell you it's a nice car, it's a nice car. All right? So we are located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. I'm 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway. If you guys wanted to fly in and check out this beautiful 68 here in person, it's not a problem. We welcome you Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., but I could stick around longer. There you go. There you have it. If you need financing or a transportation quote, please go grab a pen. I will leave my phone number towards the end of this video. Sorry we cannot go for a test drive because of the weather here in the month of November. But I did drive the car. My mechanic drove the car, and everything is really good. So we own all of these cars here. I own all of these cars. We put our money where our mouth is. We put our money in quality cars. We have over 200 that you can check out at mgmclassiccars.com. Well, if you have that pen handy, okay. And if you need a transportation quote, you can call me or text me. I prefer text. I will respond faster. My number is 847-848-1850. If you need financing, okay, we offer long-term, low-payment financing, no prepayment penalties involved, okay? And if you need that, you will need about 10% down, only and only unless your score is 760 and higher. Then I can possibly get you in a no money down option. But majority is 10% down. So check that out. Credit application on our website, right there, mgmclassiccars.com. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I got something really, really cool coming in. So check us out. Thanks for watching. My name's Thomas, mgmclassiccars.com.